Yes, class, good morning. Today we discuss your art integrated learning activity. Means your mathematics topics how to learn with help of the art, creativity works. Then you will be using the art and learn your topics also. Then you will be learn with help of the art integrated form. So today topic I am taking here relations and functions. These two topics we will learn here relation to what is the relations and what is the function, and then after that we will discuss here the types of the function. The important things are in topic in your syllabus. Types of the function is in your syllabus. So then we discuss with help of the art, creative works. Not any calculation here, not any derivations here, not any calculations here. So with help of the art, how to learn of these topics here. For learning of this topic, I have requirement some things here. What requirement here? First requirement, you have your chart paper. Otherwise, suppose you have not chart paper, then you using the drawing sheet also here. Otherwise, not the drawing sheet, then use any files, any activity files or any project files. So any one things are required here. Second things you have required here, board pins. Any thumb pins, या ball pins, या board pins, this is not matter. Any types of pins is required here. Any one types of pins are required here. Next things you required here, pencil and scales here for using drawing and complete this process of the art. Then pencil and scales also required here. Next things you required have thread. Suppose thread is not available, then you using the rubber band. Suppose rubber band is not available, then using the sticks. Any one things required here. Rubber band, otherwise thread, otherwise sticks, not no. So this is very colorful of this. Next things you required here, sketch pens for using the decorations and colorful sketch pen. Suppose sketch pen is not available, then use the crayons colors, yeah, any other types colors are available, then use this. No, this is not matter. Only sketch color, sketch pen. You have you will using any types of color, but for using the decorations. So these things are requirement of for this activity. Next things are requirement how to conduct of this activity. How to conduct of this activity, how to perform of this activity. So first of all, you will be this activity using the chart paper, otherwise any files, otherwise any drawing sheet. This is not matter, anyone. First you will complete this process in this complete activity with color and decoration, anything. Then you will make the video of the process of this activity for uploading. So 2-3 minutes video you will prepare this. So first of all, you complete this process. First you note down it, then you will discuss of the procedure. Yes, student. Next thing we will discuss here how to proceed of this activity here with help of the art. So first of all, discuss here relation. Then we discuss. Suppose you are using the chart paper or any files. So first we will discuss with the. Suppose you are using the chart paper of this. So you will be decorate in this way your chart paper, and in upper part you will write here in this way. In this part you will write here relation, relation, and in this part you will write here function. You will write here a simple definition here of the relations and simple definition of the function here with the colorful way. You will write here definition of the relations, and you will write here the definition of the function in colorful. Those colors are using here, you don't using this function, different color. After that you will give them examples also here, in this example also in decorative mode. This is the relation. You will make here two different color of the papers. Yes, use the white paper, then use the color here. Suppose you are using the white, then using here yellow color. Different color. Don't use the black color. Only in this relation, suppose you make here 1, 2, 3, and here make here A, B, and C. You give the one example, two example. This is not matter, but give the one example. Relations example, you can correlate with the correlation with the thread. Otherwise, using the rubber band. Otherwise, you can the sticks also. So how to make a relation of this? With colorful way. Then you make this in this way relation. This is called the relation also. In the arrow form. In this type, this is the domain part. Suppose this is the set A and this is the set B. Simple definition of the relations here. Don't write the difficult definitions here. Very simple. The relation is the Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets. What is the relation? Very simple definition. Relation is the Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets of subset. Relation is the subset of Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets. This is a very simple definition, sir. You can write it. What is the relation? Relation here. Relation is the subset of Cartesian product of the two non-empty sets. This is a simple definition of the relations. Then you can write here the relation in this form of the relations. Then you will how to connect of this. So this connection you can make with help of the stick, otherwise thread, otherwise you rubber band. So you will thumbpin you will using. Suppose you write here 1, 2, 3. So using your thumbpin. In this place using the thumbpin, we are actually board pins and you can use here in this way and connect with help of the HLU thread. Otherwise, you have no thread, rubber band you can use. Suppose rubber band is not available, then use here sticks also. You can paste here paste sticks here for relations. Same thing you will write here function. Don't write here difficult definition. Special type relation is called the function. Special types of relation is called function. Then same you will make the domain and codomain here A and B in this part. Then you will be using here same thing here 1, 2, 3. You make any 1, 2, 3 or you write ABC. This is not matter. But special type relation is called the function. Means special types meaning you know those come under the some rules, under the some procedure, under the some identities. Then in this function in this relation called the function. So then if in this type function then you can relate with the in this type function is called related with help of the thread. Otherwise you same things you will make here using the thumbpin. With help of the thumbpin you make the thread, otherwise rubber band, otherwise stick. Suppose you have the stick, then paste your sticks. Thread, then you thread को you directly आप उसको bind कर सकते हैं. Then you can use your rubber band. Rubber band very easy for this. Rubber band you hang here. Then this relation make of the function. You have simple definition of the special type relation is called the function, but not more. And then the left part. After in the left part of the chart paper, you will be discuss your types of the function. Your important topics of your types of the function. In this area, this part you will be using here only 20% part you using here, and rest part you will be 80% part you will be using here the types of the function. Then same things. You will be draw your types of the function. First 1 function. Then first you will be using here 1 function. 1 1. One functions. Second type function here on 2 function, and third type function here 1 on 2 into function, and next time here one more 4 types here bijective function. One more type over here bijective function. In this type 4 types of the function here 1 1, injective function. One name of the one function is the injective function. Onto function is surjective function, or into function is next into function, and next is the bijective function. Suppose any function having the both the condition, in this function is called the bijective function. Or those not having the bijective, then is called the into function. So discuss one with help of the colorful diagrams and with help of the sticks. We will listen make the with help of the sticks, otherwise rubber band. In this, suppose you have the thermocol, very good things here. You can make this project on also thermocol also. Suppose it's available, otherwise you can use the chart paper. Next things here, you will suppose example. What example of this? Simple definition you will write here. Simple definition you will write here. Simple definition. Simple definition. Don't write a difficult definition. The first example here. First you will make here in chart paper in this way. You will maintain the gap, more gap here. The board is not having more space, then I am using the small gap here. And you maintain the more gap here. The same things here. Suppose you are using the 1 function. The 1 function, simple example here, 1, 2, 3, and you can hear A, B, C. That means in this type function is called the 1 function. Means this is the domain part, this is the codomain part. You will using here thumbprint, other drawing pen, anything you using here, are correlated with help of the rubber band, otherwise sticks. But then you make the 1 function, means every element of the domain having the unique image in the codomain is called the 1 function. So with help of the diagram, you understand what is the definition, what is the heading here, 1. So then you will be giving a diagram with help of the colorful. The domain and codomain you will prepare with a different color. And you maintain here this, suppose here A, or suppose here B, and then domain and codomain. The different image having here with help correlation with the colorful way, then you can maintain of the R. Second things here, you will write this also here colorful way. Don't write in the simple pen, black pen. Don't use colorful way. Same thing here, onto function. So then you will give the example. Same thing here. Suppose you write here 1, 2, 3, or here write you A, B. Means every element of the codomain. Every element of the codomain having here, suppose here also here you can use this 1, 2, 3. This relation also make also here. Every element of the codomain having the pre-image in the domain in this type function is called the onto function. You can make second diagram in. So this correlation with help of the same things here, your rubber band, other sticks and colorful way. The same thing is into function. Same thing you will explain as the bijective function. The first you note down it, then discuss the other two. Yes, we will discuss here into function, bijective function, and many one function also here. The first, next things here, this function is clear here, onto function is clear here. Then we discuss here about in the into function. So suppose into function, third number here into function. The same things we will make here into function. 1, 2, 3. Or here make here A, B, C, and D. D also here. So this is having the relation of this having relation of this, and this having relation of this, but D not having the relation on the any element of the codomain. Suppose any element of laptop here. In this type function is called the into function. Here next is fourth function here, bijective function. In this type function, the same thing you will be using the thumbprint in this way, and then with help of the thread. Here, yeah, you can use the stars also here, and then connect it with the thread. This is not matter. So then same things here. Suppose bijective functions of 1, 2, 3, and A, B, C. Suppose this is the relation of this way, this one the relation of this way, this one of the relation of this way. Means every element of the domain having the image of the codomain, and every element of the codomain having the unique image of the domain. In this type function is called the Bijective function. Bijective function. And last function your fifth number is many one function. The last number your fifth many one function. Many one function. So means many one function means suppose this is the domain or this is the codomain. No, 1, 2, 3. Here A and B. So A having here this image and B also having this image. So this is the only single image. It means 1 and 2 having the same image A. In this type function is called the many one function. So same thing you will make it a colorful and then you correlate of this domain to codomain. So then this is the domain elements. Every element is a domain and here every element of the codomain. Or those are is making the relation. These elements is called the range. So then you can learn about with help of the art. Here will not any calculations here. What is the range? What is the domain? What is the range? But we are making the diagram with help of the art. Then you understanding the types of the function. This is the important part of your syllabus. Main things of this types of the function. Then note down with the next.